Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a new application in the Tableau that is called filter. So to understand this process, I am using the Excel file Superstore 2016 which is inbuilt available in the Tableau itself. So I open this file and three sheets are there as it displays here orders, people and returns. So I'm using the sheet order and drag into this area. So it takes few seconds to upload in the Tableau interface. Now click on the sheet 1 and to understand the process of how to applying filter in the Tableau, I'm using two variables here is sales and subcategories. I'm preparing a one simple chart by using these two dimensions. The first one is subcategory and second one is sales as a measure. Click on label and see this. The various subcategories are there with their respective sales. So total 17 subcategories are there and now we are applying the filter by using a first application. So with the help of Tableau, you can apply the filter by using two methods. First, you can apply the filter by using the data source and second, you can apply the filter by using this area. So first, you click on the data source and in this data source, it is the source of applying the filter. Click on this add button and then again add this one. So this dialog box consists various variables which are available in the Excel sheet. So select the variable of interest, that is subcategory, and these are the various dimensions of the subcategories. So let's say we are interested for first 10 categories. So click on the first 10 categories and then click on so we are interested for 10 categories, then click on OK and then press OK. So in the canvas area you can see that initially it was 17 but now they reduced till up to 10 categories. So in this way you can put the filter on the variables which is categorical in nature. And now again there is a one facility to edit this filter. Again go back to the data source and you can click on this edit button and you can edit this filter which you have already applied. Now suppose you are interested to add two more categories. So just click the furnishing and labels, press OK, just press OK and then you can see in the chart that two more categories they have been added in the graph. So in this way you can apply the filter. The next important process to application of filter is using this particular area. So to understand this one, I am removing the filter which we have applied here. So this is the original position of the chart. Now what you have to do, you have to pick the subcategories, drag this subcategory categories and drop into this filter area. So once you over to this particular area, that indicates a plus sign is being reflected and then you can drop here. So once you drop here, again automatically one dialog box opens that contains a various subcategories you can see. Now you can deselect any of the subcategory which you want to eliminate from your graph. So let's say if I'm not interested for accessories, appliances, art and binders. So I deselect all these four subcategories and press OK. So the four subcategories, they have been eliminated from this graph and rest of the categories you can see at your canvas. So this is the one process in which you can apply the filter. The first one is data source and second one is using this particular area. So one more thing you can do. Now you click on this subcategory pointer and now it gives you the again opportunity to edit this filter. So click on that. You want to remove two more categories, bookcases and chairs, and apply and then press OK. So again these two subcategories also removed from your particular graph. Click on this pointer once again and you can use one option that is called show filter. So if you click on this show filter, the various subcategories they are reflecting at a right hand side of your screen, and what you can do, you can select some of the categories by clicking on that particular button and then simultaneously you can see the changes in the graph also. Suppose you select all these subcategories, the graph is prepared and you want to eliminate from this like accessories, appliances, art, and binders. So all these being eliminated from the graph itself. So it is a much more interactive features that gives the facility from the application of filter. And one more application is there. You can do this and show the highlighter. You can click on that. Now here you can show a one particular category in which you want to highlight. Suppose you want to highlight the machines, then click on that. You want to highlight the furnishing, click on that. You want to highlight the envelope, then click on that. So in this way, you can use this button as a highlights the subcategory. And similarly, you can clear the filter also by using this particular area. So in this way, you can interact with the filters which you have applied already. So this is for all for this particular video that indicates the application of filter. So thank you. That's all for this video.